In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up on bill.com. If you are ready to get started, the first thing you will do is open the correct sign-up page, so you can be sure you are working with the official site and not a similar-looking page. To begin, go to the bill.com sign-up page. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating directly to the site's sign-up area. When the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you are on the sign-up screen, since this is where you will create your account and enter your business details. Next, click the Get Started or Sign Up button. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the home page, or near the main call to action on the sign up page. As you click it, pay attention to any quick changes on screen. A new sign-up form should appear, or you may be taken to a page where bill.com asks for your business and contact information. Now you are ready to provide your business name, email address, contact. You should see fields where you can type your business name and your email address, which will help identify your account and let you receive important notifications. There will also be a contact field. This is where you enter the primary contact information that bill.com requests for your organization. As you type, double-check spelling and formatting, because accurate information helps prevent delays during setup. After that, you will input your business information as requested. Bill.com may ask for details such as your industry, company size, and a billing address. Use the form fields to enter this information carefully and completely. The industry helps bill.com tailor the experience, and the company size can influence certain account options. The billing address is especially important because it ensures that any future invoices or billing requirements are connected to the correct location. Once you have filled in all the required fields, take a brief moment to review what you entered. Confirm that your business name matches your organization, that your contact details are correct, and that the billing address is accurate. Even a small typo in an address can cause confusion later, so this quick check is worth doing. When you are satisfied everything looks right, click Get Started. This action submits your information and moves you forward in the sign-up process. You may see a confirmation page, a loading screen, or additional instructions. If anything looks different than expected, simply follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the next stage. At this point, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. After sign-up completes, you will typically be taken to your main dashboard, where you can begin managing the tools and features related to your business accounts. Spend a few seconds becoming familiar with the layout. Look for navigation elements, sections related to invoices, payments or billing tasks, and any initial setup prompts that guide you through the next steps. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to sign up on bill.com, from opening the sign-up page all the way to arriving at your dashboard.